Puppet, hold on to your Lederhosen, Puppet. Today we celebrate Oktoberfest.
Yeah.
And looks like you're all ready to go. Look how cute you are in your little pants.
Oh, thank you Bavarian much.
Puppet, I thought we'd throw a party in honor of Oktoberfest. And we're going to celebrate it. We're going to serve brats and sauerkraut, and we got some German beer and great grain mustard, and we're just going to have a party. What do you think?
Me think, guten Tag, meine Freunde.
Okay.
And to you too, Frau Kitchen Lady.
Thank you, Puppet.
Or Kuchendame.
Puppet. Puppet.
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia. Okay, so let's start. We've got some really simple things, but they're so delicious. So let's start with that. In the pan here, we've got some brats that I've browned with garlic and olive oil and butter and onions, garlic, olive oil, and butter. We're ready to go. Yep.
Yeah.
So
that's yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, I thought that since it'd be easier, since we've got them ready to go, I've taken the liberty. Let me get these out of here. We've got some German beer. We got a little treat for you coming up too. So, I thought that we've dressed the buns here with mayo. Mayo.
Do they get Lederhosen too?
Perhaps. And some really good German mustard and let's see, garlic. So, here we go. Here we go, Puppet.
It's a party.
It is a party.
Keep going.
Puppet, look what we're doing. Now we had some really nice onions in here, but it looks like they got so cooked and so brown.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. We're gonna
put
them. Look at that. We're gonna sauce them up.
Like candy.
We're saucing them up.
Candy sauce.
And you know what? Best if you serve them on a plate so they don't get all messy.
Yeah.
So let's put the sauerkraut in. Puppet, you've chosen some great music. I love this. It puts us in the party mood. Look at. So let's dress these up.
DJ slash Puppet. Yeah.
Now, load these up for your guests. And do not be generous. Don't be stingy with the portions. It's a party.
Yeah.
And everybody loves a party, Puppet.
Yeah.
Right? So, now, not traditional, but I know how you feel pickles, so I got some pickle chips to load in there. You love pickles.
To me, they look like German pickles.
They are. Well, you know what? I did not ask about that, but let's see. So, let's get that. We've got a great selection. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh,
that is a party.
That is a party. That's some great Brats sausage. Now, what you can also serve your guests, Puppet, is what we've got.
Look.
It's kind of like a buffet, but you know.
That's everything that goes with Oktoberfest?
Yes, some red German potato salad. Yeah. And you know what's always nice? Little pretzel bites.
Oh, little pretzels.
Pretzel bites with two kinds of mustard.
Bavarian pretzels.
Bavarian pretzels. You can serve those to your guests. You can serve those to your guests. We've also got some apple strudel. Oh, because what's a party without apple strudel?
Is that real apple strudel?
Let's just say...
Is that strudel zum toasted? That means toaster strudel.
Thank you. Yep. Perhaps we took a shortcut on that one, but look what I got you.
Thanks, Kellogg's.
Look what I got you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my own beer. Look.
Your own, sparkling cider for you.
Okay.
Sparkling cider for you. But look at, I know that you want to be in the party mood too.
Yeah.
Okay? So, here you go.
Yep. Wait.
Ready?
Wait for the music to start.
Oh no, because that's the party.
Yeah.
That's the party.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Get ready. Little bits. Okay.
That's pretty good.
It is. It's good, right?
Yeah.
We'll just leave it for you here.
Sparkling apple something?
Yep. And I think that's it. So we've got some delicious brats, sauerkraut.
We got other beer or something? You got German beer over there to show everybody?
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Hefeweizen. Hefeweizen beer. That's going to be delicious. Not for you, Puppet, but for your guests. Nope. Spicy mustards. We got spicy mustards.
What's your other fancy mustard? Ingelhofer.
Ingelhofer. And green mustard.
Yeah.
They are. Like and that's it. It's a party because you've got a great spread here.
We got all kinds of stuff.
I know it.
Yeah.
So, as we celebrate Oktoberfest, we're going to say thank you.
Thank you.
You can, you want another little sip?
Thank you.
Like that.
Thank you, Kuchendame.
And Puppet, what does that mean?
Kitchen Lady.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, let's say goodbye and wish everybody a happy and safe Oktoberfest.
Happy Oktoberfest.
Brats, beer, red potato salad, sauerkraut, pretzel bites. Look at it's a party.
Little pretzel bites.
Little pretzel bites. All right.
Pretzel bites for little guy. Yeah.
Little guy in little pants.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Let's get one more shot of your little outfit.
Oh.
It is adorable. Look at your little Lederhosen.
Yeah.
I know.
Good. Yeah.
All right, let's say goodbye.
Yep.
All right.
Goodbye, everybody. Happy Oktoberfest.
Happy Oktoberfest.
Hey.
Thank you.